Alright, today I'm gonna do some research on 3 artists. Yeah, that's right, 3 artists. Let's start, shall we? Okay, watch as I show you I have some research on the following 3 artists. Here we have Milton Glaser. Glaser, or however you pronounce it. Alright, here's his career. He co-founded the revolutionary Pushpin Studios in 1954, founded New York Magazine with Clay Felkner in 1968, established Milton Glaser Incorporated in 1974, and teamed up with Walter Bernard in 1983 to form the publication design WBMG. Throughout his career, Glaser has been prolific creator of posters and prints. His education is the Cooper Community and the Academia di Belle Arti di Bologna. However you pronounce it. These are 3 examples of his work. You have the I Heart New York logo, the DC Comics logo from 1977 through 2005, and the Bob Dylan logo. Pretty cool, huh? Well, let's get on. Alright, here we have Paul Rand. His career. Paul Rand was a 20th century graphic designer and art director. He was the pioneer of iconic corporate logo designs for major firms including IBM, ABC, Morningstar Incorporated, Next Computer, Yale University, and Enron. He was an avid practitioner of Swiss style of graphic designing in American advertising industry. His education, the Harran High School, for example. And these are the 3 examples of his works. You have the IBM logo, the ABC logo, and the UPS logo. Yeah, that's right. That's what it is. IBM, ABC, UPS. Okay, here we have Chip Kidd. His career. Throughout his career, Kidd has been a graphic designer, book designer, author, lecturer, and musician. According to Graphic Design American 2, he has been credited with helping to spawn a revolution in the art of book packaging in the last 10 years. One of the most consistent characteristics of Kidd's style is the fact that his book covers don't carry one signature look. As he states, a signature look is crippling because the simplest and effective solutions aren't dictated by style. Here's the education: Wilson High School and Penn State University. And these are 3 examples of his work. You have a novel in 2 semesters, The Learners, and Batman Death by the Shine. Very stimulating. Well, anyways, I hope you enjoy.